Yeah.
Thank you.
So here you can identify the parts of the intestine. Just okay. By the if suppose if we give, so here we will try to ask not the that much all the difficult things and all. Just in a simple, if I ask, so name the parts of this structure. So you can write any parts. So first you have to identify
Like
this is the
colon,
this is the
colon.
structure of
Mm.
large intestine or colon, and then you write ascending colon, descending transverse colon, sigmoid colon.
Lecture.
So yeah, whichever parts you can remember.
Great.
Okay. Then if we ask any particular thing, then you have to write the structures. Okay. Usually the parts like such type usually in the practical exam we will not ask all the description type of things. So just answering to the point. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Okay. Next. So what now I will mark some structures, then you identify. So what
This
is
ro
this?
this is abdomen, doctor, or the gallbladder. This
No, you tell.
gallbladder.
Yeah, this is the okay. First you identified name of the structure.
Mm-hmm.
Then second question I will ask name the parts. How many parts are there?
There are parts of gallbladder, doctor.
Yeah. How many parts of the gallbladder?
جديد.
Like parts they are present in the pancreas, head, neck, body, tail.
Doctor.
There also fundus.
Okay.
Hmm? What? You forgot everything then? Huh?
No, doctor, what is like
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, that is fundus, body,
because
and
there are a lot of information.
yes.
Fundus, it's here, and body and
Body and neck.
okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
then, so in another type, okay, neck, very good. In another type, the first question will be the same. Identify the structure. Okay. And then second
Okay.
question, we may ask, name the ducts of this structure. What are the ducts?
Cystic. Oh,
Yes. So here you
cystic
have to
duct.
mention this cystic duct and then hepatic duct. Very good. Uh, cystic duct, hepatic duct, all the ducts. So what are the ducts? Cystic duct, hepatic duct, and then common bile duct. All the ducts you have to write what are the ducts present in this structure. Okay. Yes. Name the structure.
Okay, doctor.
Yes. So then,
We should know about the relation of gallbladder.
yes. No, I am see whatever the thing I am telling. I
Mhm.
am telling some of the just how the question pattern will be. The
Yes, yes,
question
yes.
may be changed. The it may come as
Yes.
a relation, or what are the what is the capacity of the gallbladder? What is
Mhm.
the shape of this? Parts of this? What are the ducts of this structure? Okay. Same like in the by giving the same picture, we may ask what is this?
Okay.
So you suppose next, what is this structure?
A duodenum.
Yes. So this is the identify the pointed structure, duodenum. Okay.
Mhm.
Next, early thing will come. You kill us from vein to vein. What is this? I am not understanding. Okay. Okay. So what is this structure?
Duodenum.
Duodenum. Okay. That is also correct.
Mhm.
Or sometimes some persons, you can also write second part of the duodenum. That is also correct. If you
Okay.
write only duodenum, that is also correct. If you write second part of the duodenum, that is also correct. Okay. And the second
Okay.
question, question B, what we'll ask,
Mm.
name the ducts opening in this structure.
Cys- Cystic duct.
Yes. So you have to write what are the ducts opening in this. Cystic duct
Doctor,
and
pancreas and gallbladder is relation with the cystic duct, and
yes,
then go flow to the duodenum.
yes. Both what happens? See here. This is the cystic duct, green color. This white one is the pancreatic duct. Both these join and open into the duodenum.
Yes, and pancreas and gallbladder is a form cystic duct. Okay.
Oh, no, 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 no. Pancreas and gallbladder, it is not forming the cystic duct. That is wrong. Cystic duct is formed by different structure. You open,
Okay.
you open the gallbladder in the digestive system. Open the gallbladder, biliary system.
Okay, so
Okay, in the
yes,
biliary
yes,
system,
yes.
go to slide
I
number
open it.
24. Go
Yes,
to
yes,
slide
yes.
number, yeah, extra biliary system. So see that picture. In that picture, what is there? There is a gallbladder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then there is a cystic duct. Okay,
From hepatic duct,
yes,
and common
yeah.
hepatic duct.
So common hepatic duct and cystic duct, they join and form the common bile duct, or it is also called bile duct.
Okay. Clear, clear now, doctor.
What you lose if we make it easy? I am not losing anything. I am not losing anything. So I have, so for me also, when I have to make the any question, I have to follow some rules which are given by the college. So on that basis of that rules, I have to make questions. It is not easy. It is not hard. The university have the some protocol. Okay, it is not my decision what I am doing, whatever it is. Okay. So next,
Okay.
so with the same picture, so I will ask another question. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I will ask? Okay. So I will
Liver.
ask this. Okay, liver. Take the example. So what you will do? Identify the structure. If your heart stops, then it will be. There are so many diagnoses we have to make. Don't stop your heart. Make it active. So what is this? What is this structure where I am marking?
liver.
Okay. So next, what is the in the liver? What can we ask? You only put some questions.
Supply.
Okay. No,
Blood
no.
supply.
You just yeah. You tell the questions. You yourself make the questions. What questions you can remember? Okay. One is blood supply. You told that is very good.
Hepatic, we can hepatic supply. No. Hepatics and renal.
No, no, not hepatic supply.
Yes.
So what question will come to your mind in the liver? Go to the liver chapter. Go to the liver chapter in the same slide number 20. By seeing these slides, you make some questions. What questions you can make?
Surface.
Very good.
And we have function not with us.
Okay. So one question, name the. So here there are 5 surfaces. Okay. So we may ask write any 2 surfaces.
Like right lateral surface and superior surface and anterior surface.
So whatever it is, if I suppose if I ask only 2 surfaces, it is your choice. You can write any 2 surfaces.
Okay.
Okay. So
They
in
have
another type of question. So name the diaphragmatic surfaces of the liver. What you will write?
right lateral surface and superior surface and anterior.
And okay, very good. This is the answer. Okay.
Specific
Now you got
part.
the idea. Okay.
Yes.
So next another question. What you will leave the functions.
Yes.
Okay. Another question. What you will put?
Visceral surface.
Yeah, visceral surface. Very good. So in the visceral surface, you can write name 4 visceral relations of this structure. What is your answer?
Gallbladder, duodenum.
Yes. What
Stomach.
it is your choice.
Stomach we can write. Okay. Right.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling you. So read the question. So name. So here. So when the question comes, name the visceral relations of the liver. So in this question, I am not asking anything. You can write 2, you can write 3, you can write 4, but don't write only 1. Okay. Minimum. Okay. So
Two.
if I mention,
Two.
if the question contains name 3 visceral relations or name 4 visceral relations, you have to write 4.
Okay.
You have to write how much number they are asking in that question. Now you got the idea?
Oh, yes. But what the loser momentum of gallbladder this and the visceral surface?
Lesser momentum.
Yes.
Lesser momentum, you don't know?
No. It's the like fissure in the
No.
liver.
You come to slide number 13. In the slide number 13, what is this? What is this structure? What is the picture? Name of that picture.
Stomach.
Yeah, this is the picture of stomach. So in the picture of stomach, there is a structure called lesser curvature.
Yes. I understand this.
Okay. So that is the part. Once again, I explain it. So the part of the peritoneum, it is attached to this curvature. It is called lesser omentum. Okay. And then there is another part, greater curvature. Okay.
Greater curvature is very far
Yeah,
from
no, no,
the.
no, no.
Okay.
Yes, yes. No, no, that's what I'm explaining both the parts. So what is the
Yes,
difference
yes.
it is? So to the greater curvature, the peritoneum is also attached to greater curvature. So this peritoneum is called greater omentum. Lesser
Okay.
curvature, lesser curvature, lesser omentum. Greater curvature is a greater omentum.
Momentum like curvature.
Yeah.
Okay.
Momentum is it is a different thing. Just for a time being, you remember these two
Mhm.
words. Okay.
Great.
Don't make yourself complicated. It will become confusing. Most of the if you
Because it is,
go.
yes, because it is a new word
No, no, it is not
for this.
no, no. Yeah, okay.
For us,
Just
for us.
that is why you remember. Just you remember this: lesser curvature, lesser momentum; greater curvature, greater momentum. This much is
Okay.
enough now for a time being. Okay. Otherwise,
Great.
you will get confused. Okay. So these are the questions. It will come like that. Okay. So another question I can make in the liver. Mm, okay. So what ligament separating anteriorly and superiorly?
Ligament.
Yes. Just open the liver. Slide number 20. Go to slide number 20.
Mhm.
Identify the structure that is liver. Okay.
Mhm.
Next question
Got it.
I will ask. Anterior and superior surface. Anteriorly and superiorly.
Surface.
Yeah. No, 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 no. And slide number 20.
Agility.
Yeah, in the GIT, slide number 20.
Abdomen.
Liver. You
Falciform
open.
ligament.
Yes. Anteriorly
This is
and superiorly, liver is
mixed
divided into right and left lobe by falciform ligament.
ligament. This is like a fissure and like in the lung.
Yes. It is
Okay.
not the fissure. Yes,
But
falciform.
like this, like this.
Yeah, like a small paper, how it is dividing.
This is in the anterior surface.
Yeah, anteriorly. The second question I will ask: anteriorly and superiorly, what ligament is present? Inferiorly, what ligament is present? Posteriorly, liver is divided into right and left lobe by what ligament?
Uh, Function.
Yeah,
Function
fissure
ligament.
for ligamentum venosum.
You know,
Okay, you go to
great.
next picture.
Got it. Yes,
So
brain.
now, so in this, okay, in this I will ask, I will give this picture. So I will ask only this. What is this?
Midbrain. Pons. From midbrain.
No. You have to write only pons.
Okay. Doctor, and explain the midbrain and diencephalon, please, because there are a lot of confusion there.
Hmm. 1 minute. I'll upload the.
Okay.
What about the others? Others are not asking any questions. So leader means only it is not the duty of leader to ask question. All others have to ask questions. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So you want brainstem? It is not what I tell that is important. I am giving just an idea how the questions will come. Okay. So diencephalon, Yazan.
I try. I'm with you.
Okay. So this diencephalon is having, so these are the parts of diencephalon. So that is thalamus, hypothalamus, subthalamus, metathalamus, and epithalamus. So when we come to this
Thalamus and their sons.
thalamus,
And their sons. Hypo and DB and whatever.
yeah. So these are the other parts of the diencephalon.
Okay, okay.
So
And
there is a
midbrain, it's
midbrain is a different
it's
structure.
bone.
No. That is the different structure. See here in this picture, what you are seeing, this blue color picture, just a comma shaped structure. This
Yes,
comma
this is
shaped
thalamus.
structure. So this is the thalamus. Thalamus means what? So thalamus, it is a large part. First part of the thalamus. Hypothalamus means below
Under.
this thalamus. Hypothalamus. And then subthalamus. Subthalamus means smaller than this. Smaller than hypothalamus. Okay. So here only that much you remember, it is sufficient. Now come to the brainstem. The parts of the brainstem, it is three parts: midbrain, pons, and medulla.
Okay. Midbrain and medulla oblongata and pons.
No. You have to tell in the order.
Medulla,
First one
Dr.
medulla.
Pons.
No. First one is midbrain.
Okay.
Midbrain, pons, and medulla. So medulla will continue as spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
This is the, yeah, in this order you remember, it will be easy.
Okay. Great.
Midbrain, pons, and medulla, and then spinal cord.
Understand.
See, if we ask,
Dr.
so
Nerve dorsal
yeah,
of pons. I don't understand it. Nerve of dorsal
what?
pons. Nerve of dorsal
Ah,
pons. You can
where
go.
in the pons?
Yes. There are a nerve, but dorsal nerve I don't understand it.
In the dorsal surface of the pons.
Yes. There are, I think
See,
it's some bone
yeah,
nerve.
here only this much is belongs to the dorsal surface. Okay.
Doctor, I can't take a pointer. It's very good than this.
Your what happened? What happened?
Use a pointer. Very
Okay.
good at this. Yes.
Okay. So if you ask dorsal surface, it forms the upper part of the floor of the fourth ventricle. Only this much. Okay.
Okay, but you can explain the nerves because they come in the final.
So nerves means, so here we will ask only direct questions. We don't want any explanation in this. So here we ask.
Okay.
So suppose in that picture you told this is the pons. Okay. If you write this is the pons. So the next question is name 4 nerves coming from this. So see here, these are the nerves coming from this. So that is, you have to write trigeminal, abducent, facial and vestibulocochlear nerve.
Okay, it's great.
The location may be, you will ask. Yes, location also everything. See here I am giving just a small idea how it is. It is not like that. I am not asking the other thing. Other thing is not there. So we can ask anything. So here, example, in the midbrain, name the 2 parts of the midbrain. Okay. You have to write anything. Tegmentum and tectum. So these are the 2 parts of the midbrain. Okay. Or name the nerves coming from the midbrain. Or the
Superior colic.
name
Where is
name the 2 structures present in the dorsal surface of the midbrain. Superior colliculus and inferior colliculi. What? You are asking something?
superior colic. What is it?
So these are the structures here. Can you make out these one?
Yes, yes.
So these are the collection of the nerve bundles. So these are the, this one is superior colliculus. This and this. This is superior colliculus. And this one and this. Inferior colliculi. Okay. Next. So same like in the pons, nerves coming from the pons, and then nerves coming. Yeah. Nerve coming from the reproductive.
Yes, because there are a lot of information we can make it easy like this.
See, what is this? So in this picture, so if we give this picture and then if I ask this, so what is this?
Uterus.
Yes. So what questions we can ask in the uterus? Yes, very good, uterus. What questions we can ask in the uterus? Parts of the uterus. So first one is the parts of the uterus. Okay.
What?
Parts of the uterus. Open the lecture. Go to slide number 23.
Okay. Yes,
Parts
I
of the
open it.
uterus. So here you just mention the parts, no explanation.
Perimetrium and myometrium and endometrium.
No. That is not the parts of the uterus.
This
These are
layers.
the layers
Okay.
of the uterus. Parts mean there is a
Like
part.
ovary.
Yes, fundus, body, cervix. Don't see the
Okay.
picture. Where you are going? This is what why you are confusing. The question is very straight. Parts of the uterus.
Yes, yes, yes.
What you are telling, so they are not the parts of the uterus. Ovary, uterine tube, they are not the parts of the uterus. Okay, I will clarify your confusion. The parts of the uterus is what you are telling, they are the parts of the female reproductive system. Uterus, fallopian tube, ovary, all these are parts of the female reproductive system. For everyone, it is clear now?
Doctor, I didn't understand. I
See,
didn't understand.
it is very easy. See, what are the parts of the female reproductive system?
We have ovary and fallopian tube,
Yes.
cervix,
And then,
vagina.
okay. No. See, that is where you are confusing. The parts of the female reproductive system. Where you, all of you go to slide number 18. Slide
Okay.
number
I open it.
9. You come to slide number 19.
Okay. I open it.
Okay. So this female reproductive system is having two parts. One is external genital organs. Okay. And another one is the internal genital organs. The internal genital organs, they are ovary, uterine tube, uterus and vagina. You got my point?
1 minute, doctor.
Okay, it is clear now?
Yes, yes.
My question is only the parts of the uterus. If you write for the part of the uterus, if you write ovary, uterine tube, vagina, it is wrong.
We write
What you will write? Only for the uterus, what you will write?
you can tell us.
Huh?
You can tell us.
Only for the parts of the uterus, there is a separate slide is there. The parts of the uterus, fundus, body, yes, very good, very good. Fundus, internal and external os, body, cervix, all these are the parts of the uterus. Yes.
Yes, yes. Understand now.
See, there is a separate slide for you, parts of the uterus. Okay.
Okay,
Next.
okay, doctor.
So then the question may come. See, that is why you are getting confused. The layers of the stomach, layers of the uterus, or layers of that part. So then you write perimetrium, endometrium, and myometrium.
Okay.
Okay. And then again, suppose if I ask, what is this? What is this? What is this? Where I am putting the marker?
This is in the female or in the male?
You tell that is the that is how you have to identify.
Uh,
These both pictures are same. Both the pictures are same. Just now you told uterus. Then what is the point? What is the confusion here? It is we are already written uterine tube.
okay.
Yes. Here also we will ask what are the name the four parts. What are the parts of uterine tube?
We have infillibium and
Yes,
ampulla
ampoule. Yes.
for fertilization
No, no,
and
just write only the parts. Just write only the name of the
isthmus,
part. Yeah,
and intimal part.
isthmus, infundibulum, ampulla,
Inter
intramural part. Okay, these are the parts of the fallopian tube.
Doctor, a
Hmm.
uterine tube, it's the same fallopian tube.
Ah,
Uterine tube, is the same fallopian
both
tube.
are same. Fallopian tube, uterine
Okay,
tube,
now it's
both are
easy.
same. Ah,
Now it is easy.
yeah, both are same.
Um,
That is why I am telling in the from the beginning. I am telling, don't get. If you take tension, you will get confused.
yes.
Okay, okay. Next. So then, what is this? What is that?
Mucobranchus,
What is that? Yellow color structure.
ovary,
Ovary. Very good. Yes, ovary. Very good. Then here we may ask, what are the blood vessels related to ovary? Name the blood vessels related to ovary. What you will write? What are the blood vessels related to this structure? Blood vessels.
uterine artery, uterine
Hmm?
arteries, uterine artery.
Where? Where? Go see. Don't tell blindly. Go to the slide and see the answer. External iliac vessel and internal iliac vessels. They are the blood vessels. Yes, external iliac, internal iliac, or we can also ask what are the ligaments. Name the ligaments of this. You have to write the names of the ligaments.
mesenchymal,
Yeah, mesoovarium, round ligament, suspensory ligament of the ovary. All these things you have to remember. Or we may ask what is where it is located. Where it is located. Or you have to write ovarian fossa. Yes, ovarian fossa. Very good. Okay. So such type of questions will come. Next. So next. So what is this picture? This picture belongs to what?
internal genital milk.
No, this is for the male or female or what?
Male,
Yes. So first you identify
because there are
it belong
seminal vessels.
it belongs to which gender. If you identify the gender, then it will be easy to answer anything. Okay. So once you identify the gender, so then now you write. I will ask what is this.
And difference.
Yeah.
Vas
So that is vas deferens, or you can also write ductus deferens. So what question you will ask in the ductus deferens? What you will ask? What you can ask?
the, from where extent and ends.
Yes, yes. From where it begins? Beginning.
Yes.
Yes,
From
like that.
the gallbladder.
No, no, no,
And
no.
and
From
and
from the tail of epididymis. Okay. Suppose. So what is this? What is this? What is this?
uretary.
Ureter. Okay. What we can ask in the ureter? What we can ask in the ureter? We can ask what are the blood supply of ureter. Okay. Ureter. And then we can ask, yes, constrictions. So how many constrictions are there? Okay. We can ask,
Doctor,
yes.
doctor, the first difference is in the side is connect or begin from the tail of the epididymis. And the
Yes.
sense the
That is your
core.
answer. Yeah, that is your answer. So now you tell So for the ureter, we can ask the blood supply, or we can ask what are the parts of the ureter. We can ask parts of the ureters, or we can ask what are the constrictions of the ureter. Okay. So in the constrictions or in any blood vessels, just name them. Don't write male, female. So these things you have to mention. So vesical artery, or if you don't not mention, that is also okay. Just you mention the names, whatever it is. So in the constrictions also, or in the blood vessels also, just write renal artery, testicular artery, ovarian artery, abdominal aorta, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So next I will ask another question. Seminal vesicles. Or sometimes we will ask, name these structures. 1 and 2. What is this? 3. And then what is this? 4. Okay, like this. And another type. So just I will ask only this. What is this? What is, if I ask only this, what is your answer?
Epididymis.
Okay, epididymis. Name the parts of epididymis. Name the parts. What are the parts?
Coiled tube and great
Huh?
testis.
What
Coiled
are?
tube.
No, no, no. Very good, very good. Head, body, and
And
tail. Parts, parts. Listen the question. Parts, very good. Head, body, and tail. Okay. Or else, so next, what is this? What is this? Testis, very good. Next, what are the coverings of testis? Coverings
we have
of
skin.
testis.
Yeah. Okay.
See, that is why don't be in the hurry. Coverings, I am asking, the question is direct. Coverings of the testis. Only you have to tell the coverings.
Fungarians. Something like
Tunica vaginalis,
Fungarian.
tunica albuginea, and tunica vasculosa. Very good, very good.
Doctor, when we can write skin and dorsal
Yes,
muscles
yes,
and external superficie.
I'm coming to that point. Suppose, so if I ask the question, so here that part we are not mentioned. Sometimes we will ask only the question. Name the coverings, layers of the sperma scrotum. Okay.
Okay. Testis,
Name.
we mentioned tunica. When you mention the scrotum, you mention all
Yes.
6 layers.
Go to you open the reproductive system lecture. Slide number 4.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Covering of
So suppose coverings or layers of the scrotum. So then this is your answer. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doctor. Okay.
Next, suppose contents of the scrotum. Content of the scrotum 1,
Testis,
2, and 3. Testis,
epididymis,
epididymis,
and
and
part of
spermatic cord. Okay. So next, come to slide number 5. In the slide number 5, structures or contents of spermatic cord.
doctor.
Then
A lot of
this, yeah, name 4 contents or name 5 contents of spermatic cord. Then this is your answer. So now your doubt is cleared.
again, please the last point
See,
of spermatic cord.
when spermatic cord, write structures of the spermatic cord. Name 4 structures of spermatic cord or name 4 contents of spermatic cord. You have to write what you will write.
Vas
Vas
deferens,
deferens, testicular artery, testicular vein,
support.
testicular lymph nodes. This is your answer. Okay.
Okay.
Then now what I asked, what are the, go to slide number 9. Go to slide number 9. What I asked? Yes, very good. See, you all are answering very good. Then why you are taking so much of tension? For everyone I am asking. You are answering all my questions. Then why you are taking so much of tension? Because we are just answering out of the slide. No, whatever it is. No, at least you are answering from the slide means then you are understanding the subject. At least you know which slide you have to open. Okay, that is a very good point. Okay, now what I asked, what is this? Again, what is this? Yes, you will, once you start reading, you will memorize. Don't worry. Okay, what is this? Now you got the difference. Yazan, you understood?
Yes, doctor.
Now you tell what is this structure? Not only Yazan, everyone. So this is
Sperticum cord or
no, what is this?
or epididymis. Testis. Yeah,
Testis,
okay.
testis.
All.
It is, see, everything is same here. This whole part, whole this thing is testis only.
I think you
Okay.
mean a specific part.
No, it is the testis only. Okay. This is the testis. So then now what I am asking, I asked coverings of the testis. So coverings of the testis means you go to slide number 9.
Yes, tunica, phangyria, one.
Yeah, this is your answer. Yeah, don't you here you write skin.
No, skin of
Skin and
scrotum.
no skin it is not related anywhere to the testis. Okay, answer to the point. Don't run around the bush. Skin, that thing, imaginary things. Okay, so this you understood. Very good.
Yes, doctor.
And again, this is the same. So now I will ask, so what is this?
Urinary bladder.
Okay. So what we can ask in the urinary bladder?
There are blood supply there, or
No, just we'll start from the beginning. Very simple question. So what we can ask in a very simple manner?
Part of the urinary bladder.
Very good. Very good. Parts. So first, very simple. What are the parts of this? Another question. Which is the most fixed part of this structure? Which part? Which is the most fixed part of this urinary bladder? Yes, urinary bladder is correct. Which part of the urinary bladder is fixed? Go to slide number 19. All of you seeing? No, apex is wrong. Go to slide number 19.
where is it?
Huh?
We are in the fibrous capsule.
No, 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 no. You come to which urinary system? You open the urinary system. Urinary system, slide number 19.
Yes, yes.
Yes?
Most fixed is inferior
Yes.
ankle. The
Which
inferior
part?
ankle.
Neck of the urinary bladder is most fixed part of the urinary bladder. Okay?
Okay.
And then, or else, name the your parts you will write. So which are the parts? Apex, base, like that. Okay? And then
Okay.
another type of question. So name the structures relating to base of this. Structures related to base of the urinary bladder. Where? Go to slide number 18.
Yes. Yes.
So what are the structures you will write? Yeah, in the female, here we are not asking any male or female. Just you mention the structures
Yes.
on the base.
Father difference and seminal vessels and rectum.
Yes, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, rectum, vagina, cervix of the uterus. Okay,
Yes.
this is one type. So if I ask, so what are the structures having structures in the base of the female urinary bladder? Then you write only vagina, cervix of uterus.
Okay.
Okay, next. So now you got. And then what are the blood supply? Yes.
Excuse me, doctor. I don't understand the last point. And the structure related in the male, what, and in the female, what also?
No,
You
in the
say
female. Yeah,
in
that's
the
what you. Yeah, tell me, tell me.
in the female you see its relation with the vagina and
Cervix of uterus.
yeah, and in the
Whereas,
female.
yeah, in the male, it is vas deferens.
Okay.
Yeah, it is there. Yeah, you go to slide number 17, 18. In the urinary system, you open slide number 18. There you are having base or fundus of urinary bladder. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in there you are having in the male. So in the male, the base is related to vas deferens, seminal vesicle, rectum, rectovesical pouch, and peritoneum. Okay. Whereas in the female, it is related to vagina and cervix of uterus. So now it is clear. It is clear now.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the commonly asked questions.
Now,
Okay.
what
Any.
about the kidney? Oh, yes, kidney.
Okay. So you want to show the kidney. See. So here. So if it is a plain structure. Okay. So here I will write A without any labeling. Identify the structure and name which side it belongs. What you will write?
Right kidney and belongs to the liver.
Right kidney.
This is right kidney.
Yes, that's all. That is the only answer. This is the right kidney. Then, so in the kidney, what is the anterior relation of this structure? It means you have to write only the anterior relations of a right kidney. Don't write the anterior relation of the left kidney to the right. So here we are asking only this.
We can write suprarenal area.
Yes, right suprarenal area, hepatic area, duodenal area, or you can write right suprarenal gland, which lobe of the liver, right lobe of the liver, which part of the duodenum, second part of the duodenum.
Colic
So
flexure.
which right colic flexure. Okay.
Great.
Okay. Then
And then and the another side
another
is
side, that is the left.
mhm.
Same thing we can ask in the left side, or else we will just write identify the picture.
Okay.
Identify the picture and write 4 posterior relations. What you will write?
Left suprarenal area and splenic
No,
area.
no. Posterior relation.
Posterior.
Yeah,
We can
listen the
write
question. Listen the question.
Doctor,
Again I will repeat.
can you again repeat?
Identify the picture. Okay. Name 4 posterior relations. What is your answer?
back of 1 minute.
No, first you identify the structure. What
We
is
can
this structure?
aorta.
Diaphragm is
We can
correct.
inferior أو inferior فانا كيف؟ Or we
No, no,
can
no.
write it.
You are not answering the first question. Identify the picture. Identify the picture. Yes, psoas major is. See, first question is there are two questions. Why you are getting confused? Identify
First
this
question
structure.
is right or left kidney.
Whatever, that is what
Yes.
this is what I want. First you answer. Identify the structure means here I am not asking anything. You can write only kidney, that is correct. You can write right kidney, that is also correct. You can write left kidney, that is also correct. It is clear now.
Yes.
Okay. So if I ask only this, if I ask only like this, I will do the marking and then I will write A. Then you answer this picture is of right kidney. Now
It's
it is
great.
clear.
Yes.
Okay. So what is my second question? Name 4 posterior relation. Posterior relation of both the kidneys are same. The person here, he answered all the answers are very good. Diaphragm, psoas major, and transverse abdominis. Anything you can write, or you can write the blood vessels also. Whichever 4 relations you remember. Okay. Next.
Okay. And we can write about fossils and nerve there, صح?
What?
Fossils and nerve in the
Yes,
posterior relation.
that is a posterior. Yes. That is also a posterior relation.
Great.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, suppose if this picture comes, so what is the identification of this picture? What is this picture?
Inner
What
layer
you will
of
write?
the kidney.
Kidney.
Yes, very good. So if this picture also comes, I am not, the question is, see the question how it is. Okay. If this picture comes, we will not ask to write the side of the picture. Okay. If we are asking for the side means we will put this picture, because we have to show both the pictures, right and left. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this picture comes, you just mention it is a kidney, and then you can write, and then we may just a minute. Okay. Then now you tell what all structures I am marking. What are these? What is this? Yes. So this is one of the very good answer, renal medulla. So why I will tell later. Okay. What is this?
Renal medulla.
Yes.
Okay, and we have here.
What is this? Renal pyramid. This is
What's the
pyramid.
difference? Okay, yes. Renal pyramid. Here.
Okay. And then what is this? Again, this is the renal medulla. And then what is this?
Renal pelvic.
Yes, renal
Pelvis.
pelvis. Okay. And then what is this?
Uretry. Oh,
Ureter.
ureter.
Yes. And then what is this one? Major calyx. Okay.
Oh,
So
major
this
is
is
the big and minor is
minor is a small.
small.
Okay. So this is one type of asking questions. Or we may ask, identify the structures and write the structures present in renal. Write the structures present in the medulla.
We can minor calculus and major calculus.
Yes, minor calyx, major calyx, or another type. Write
Renal
the
column.
internal. Yes, or write internal structures of this.
Minor and major calculus.
Anything.
And renal.
All renal pyramid, renal medulla, renal artery, renal pelvis, major calyx, ureter, minor calyx. All these structures, they are coming from the inside of the kidney.
How much you need to write? 2 or 3?
Yeah, that's why it depends upon the question. If I
The
ask
maximum?
only 2, yeah, maximum 4, 5. Usually maximum will be 4, 3, like that usually.
Okay, great.
Okay. So this is how you have to answer. No, that's what it depends upon the question. How many? Usually we will ask more than 3. More than 3 is the usual criteria. Or sometimes if some structure it is having only 2 relation, means there is, you don't also have any chance, no other option. Okay. So anything you want?
Doctor, please the last the brain. What the questions come on it?
Where?
A brain.
Brain.
Yes, here. Yes, here.
Brain. In the brain you have to make a brain fry. Then the brain will become very tasty.
Excuse me, doctor. I have a question
Yeah,
in the previous slide. When you say write the structure, you mean I should write the part of the kidney, right? Renal pelvis, renal medulla, major calyx,
yes.
like this.
So yeah, they are the internal structure of the kidney. Okay.
Okay. When
Internal,
you say internal.
yeah. Okay. When I say internal, or just I will clear your doubt. you just open urinary system, slide number 11. Okay, urinary system, slide number 11.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is there?
Renal pelvis, major calyx.
No. What is there? There is a one question like cortex, medulla.
Renal pyramids and renal column.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, doctor. Thank
So
you very much.
no, 1 minute, 1 minute. Still, it is not clear. So for him, I am asking. So what is there? What is your name?
Abdulaziz.
Abladis. So there is what is there? What is there in this slide? There is a cortex and there is a medulla.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then see
Thank
this
you.
slide. 1 minute. I will clear. Still it is. I am not satisfied. What is this? See this picture. With this picture, I am showing where is cortex, where is medulla. Okay.
Okay.
Where I am
Cortex,
drawing this line.
it's outer
Yeah.
board. Outer board.
Okay. So this part, this is cortex. Okay. Here I am. Here it is written. This is the cortex. Then what is this? All this, everything, what the structures they are there, they are present. This
Yeah.
is medulla. Okay.
Okay.
So now internal structure. If I ask what are the name the internal structure means, write like this. All renal pyramid, renal artery, renal vein, major calyx, minor calyx, all these things you have to write.
Okay, clear.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, welcome. So any other doubts? Anything you want to clarify? Thank you. Thank you. So I also love you. I will also love you.
Thank you, doctor, for this explanation, and we
Yeah.
hope you
You
help
have to
us
do
in the exam.
Yeah. You have to do very well. Then only
We
I
work,
will love you.
we work hard, and you help us, doctor.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you very much,
inshallah.
doctor.
Inshallah. Okay then. So
See you
happy
later.
weekend. Happy weekend.
No,
Don't
happy
enjoy.
weekend.
Yeah,
Then-
don't enjoy. Don't enjoy too much. Enjoy little and read more.
Yes. With anatomy this weekend. See you, doctor.
Okay then. Okay then. Bye. Shall we close the session?
Yes.
Okay then. Bye. Ma salam.